Welcome to this video tutorial on Solving Sample Test Project 1 for the Bell Croissant Lyonnais IT Business Solution. I am Itssb. This video provides a complete walkthrough for installing Visual Studio and SQL Server Management Studio and setting up the database and UI. This video covers 3 graded tasks: setting up the database and importing data, developing the product management UI, and creating the order management interface. The toolchain for this session includes SQL Server Management Studio for database design, SQL Server Local DB as our engine, Visual Studio 2022 for building the API and WPF app, and the .NET 8 SDK. Part 1 of our video focuses on installing SQL Server Management Studio. We will cover the steps to download, install, and connect to your local SQL Server instance. To download and install SSMS, visit the Microsoft link provided, run the installer, wait for the components to download, and then launch the application from the Start menu. Once installed, connect to your server by selecting Database Engine, entering your local server instance name, choosing Windows Authentication, and then clicking Connect to open a new query window. Part 2 of the video guides you through installing Microsoft Visual Studio, including downloading the installer, selecting the correct workloads, and completing your first launch. When selecting workloads, ensure you check .NET Desktop Development, ASP.NET and Web Development, and Data Storage and Processing. These are the only components required for this session. After choosing your workloads, click Install. Restart your system if prompted, then launch Visual Studio. You can choose to sign in or skip this step, and then select the Visual C# development profile. Part 3 of this video walks you through the steps to complete the sample test project, transforming an empty database into a functional, tested application. Begin by connecting to your database, executing the schema script to create the necessary tables, building a C# console importer, and verifying your work with counts and indexes. Next, develop the product and order management UI using WPF. This includes implementing search, column sorting, add and edit forms with validation, and order detail views with status buttons. Your final deliverables checklist includes the database credentials file, the product management executable, and the order management application executable. In summary, we have installed SSMS, configured Visual Studio, run schema scripts, and built the management screens. Refer to the slides or written guide if you have questions.